Even though the Remington 870 has been on the market for nearly half a century, it's still considered one of the industry leaders for its strength, durability, silky smooth, bind-free action, and sleek classical lines. It has become one of the best-selling shotguns of any type in history, with more than 10 million made. The 870 Express Digital Camo Talo Edition is a 12-gauge pump-action shotgun. It features a black matte finish and a tiger stripe digital camo stock and forend with a black rubber recoil pad. The 18-inch barrel gives the 870 an overall length of 38.5 inches and a weight of 7 pounds 4 ounces. It features a cross-bolt safety with key lock and front bead sight. It has a cylinder bore choke and holds 6 shells for a 6+1 capacity.
Remington's 870 has been around for a long time, and there's a good reason why. It's safe and reliable. That's why most law enforcement agencies carry these guns.